I'm going to show you how to save a lot of money on propane. You see right here, this auto switching regulator. It's letting you know, hey, it's pointing this direction. That means that this bottle is running right here. You notice that I got this one open and I closed the new bottle because I don't trust the auto switching device, because I noticed sometimes my tank was half full and it auto switched to the other bottle. So I'm turning in a half full tank for a full tank. And I've been running this one 20-pound propane bottle for 2 weeks. And I'm going to show you why and how I do it. And I probably could get another week or two out of it. But before I leave in the morning, what I do, I make sure that this furnace and everything is on the off, because there's no need to be heating up this RV when I'm not here. And I also turn my hot water heater off, because why would I be heating water up when I'm not there? So you see that is on. You probably heard kicked on. But when I leave in the morning, I turn it off, because when I get up in the morning, it takes about 15 minutes for this to heat up. So I heat up some hot water to take a shower and I'm off to work. And to check my propane and see how much I got, or see if it's still any in there, I just turn on the stove. As you can hear the gas running, and I light it. And that right there lets me know, hey, I still got gas in this bottle. Even though the gauge is saying it's empty, it's not empty. I probably could run this for another week. And if it is empty, this won't come on, or have a very low flame. So that's how you save propane. And if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. And thank you and have a great day.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching welding and stuff.